Hello YouTube, Dano here. Just going through one of the drawers here. This is tin snips metal cutting tool, Milwaukee. That thing's awesome, by the way. Pop rivet gun, swivel head, and then the pop rivet gun for the threaded bolts that go on the roof racks. Those are the wide angle cutters. These are the overhead cutters. I have the red and green of those ones. I should have the red and green of these ones, but I'm not sure where the green one is. I'm sure I did see it a while ago, going through some other boxes. We'll get to it. These two here, well, these three actually, are all used for cutting discs, like grinding discs, the fiber ones. There's regular straight cutters, bolt cutters. These here for doing tin work, for duct work, cuts that V-notch. Standard red handles, long red handles, long straights, the angled ones, and then black lines. Lines are something similar to these ones here. Those ones there. And a bare pair, no handle, no covering. Another pair of bolt cutters. Down the back there is a pair of crimping pliers. Yeah, a few more things we want to add to this drawer, but that's good enough to show you guys now anyways. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell me what you think of the organization. This here is actually a CD rack or a DVD rack. I ended up using for that and it fit perfect. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by, say hello. Dano out.